Hello, Tony. May I help you?
Of course.
Hello, my name's Gogo. How are you? What's this?
It's a dress.
Whose dress is it?
It's Jenny's dress. Don't be silly, Gogo.
What's this?
It's a shirt. No, Gogo. This isn't my shirt. It's my dad's shirt.
What's this?
It's Jenny's skirt. These clothes are dirty.
What's that?
It's a blouse.
Is it your blouse?
No, it isn't. It's Mum's blouse. This is my sock.
You're right, Tony. It's dirty. This is your sock too.
Phone is ringing.
Tony's socks are very dirty.
I'm sorry, I can't play now. Yes, Gogo's here. He's helping me. Oh no! Bye! Gogo, what are you doing?
I'm washing.
Oh, Gogo! I'm hot, Gogo.
I'm hot too.
Do you want hats?
Oh, yes, please, Gogo.
Whose hat is this?
It's my hat.
Is that right, Tappy?
Yes, it is. It's her hat.
Pod, is this your hat?
No, it isn't. It's his hat. Whose hat is that? It's not his hat. It's not her hat. It's not your hat, Gogo. You haven't got a hat. I know. It's my hat.
Whose hat is that? It's my hat. Whose hat is that? It's his hat. Whose hat is that?
It's her hat.
His hat, her hat, your hat, my hat. We like our hats. Whose coat is that? It's my coat. Whose coat is that? It's his coat. Whose coat is that?
It's her coat.
His coat, her coat,